Nikki Town! Woo! I'm on drugs. No, I'm not really. But I miss Nikki, and she needs to hang out. Yeah, that's right. That's right. You, my wifey needs to hang out with me. Yeah, that's right. I said it. Me. What? Wanna fight? Let's go. I can't fight you. I love you. Don't fight me. But these are broken. I have other ones. You have these ones. These have lenses in them. Oh! Ow! Okay. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. So, Nikki, I love you. And you wanted me to make you another video. Cause I love you. On like so many drugs right now. Actually, I'm not really, but I'm just gonna use that as an excuse. So, but I love you, and you should know that. I always love you. You're the bestest person ever, and I'm wearing a Thomas the Train costume. Why? I don't know. I just felt like it. Yeah. Do I have to have a reason? No. No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm yelling. I'm sorry. Will you forgive me? Will you love me? Endeavor. Yeah, will you love me, Nikki? But Nikki, really, you should hang out with me because I miss you like a lot. Like I miss you the mostest in the entire world. And I love you so much. I love you so much. I just want to kiss you. Oh my god. I'm on so much crack right now. I hope like no one sees this and like really thinks I'm on crack, because I swear I'm not. And I swear this isn't what you think it is. So this is totally not awkward and stuff. So anyways, Nikki, I love you with all of my heart. Oh, and so does Mr. Parrot. Hi, Nikki. I love you. And I say you should hang out with Tiffany because she loves you so much. Oh, but I love her more. No, you don't. Yeah, I do. No, you don't. Yeah, I do. I love her so much more than you do. Shut up. Oh, shit. It's not what it looks like. He's still alive, right? Right, Parrot? Right! I'm fine and dandy. Okay. Good. So I'm gonna go and not clean up any dead bodies because I don't see any dead bodies around. There's no dead bodies around. Stop questioning me. I love you, Nikki.